In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or customize your email signature in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're looking to personalize your communication or maintain a consistent brand image, updating your email signature is a simple yet effective way to make a lasting impression. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. Our journey begins by navigating to the HubSpot website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in HubSpot's URL, which will lead you to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your HubSpot account. Look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Click this and it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Enter your email and password intuitively as you would with any secure site, and then click sign in. Now that you're logged into your account, it's time to go to the HubSpot home dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of options and tools at your disposal. Our focus today is on navigating to the settings, so let's keep moving forward. Next, locate the settings icon. Usually depicted as a gear symbol, it's typically found in the top right menu. Clicking on it will redirect you to a new page where you can see various preferences for your account. From the list of settings on the left-hand sidebar, find and click on email. This section specifically addresses everything related to email functionalities, including the customization of signatures, which is where we want to be. Within the email section, you'll see various options regarding how your emails are set up within the CRM. Here you can manage email settings to suit your unique needs, but for today's task, direct your attention to the Manage Email Signatures link. By clicking on Manage Email Signatures, you'll open up the possibility to either edit an existing signature or create a new one. If you have several email signatures, you can select which one to update, or alternatively, you can add a new signature by selecting the Create New Signature option. Once you've chosen the signature you want to adjust, a text box with formatting options will appear. Here you can customize to your heart's content, add your name, company information and contact details, and feel free to incorporate any graphics or social media links that best represent you and your brand. Don't forget, consistency in design and details is key to maintaining a professional appearance, so consider aligning your signature with your company's branding guidelines. After making the desired changes, look for the Save button to ensure that your updates are retained. Saving will immediately update your email signature with the new design for all outgoing emails. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to customizing your email signature in HubSpot CRM. This small touch can enhance your professional image and ensure your communications leave a memorable mark. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.